Welcome to our channel. If you are a motorcycle enthusiast looking to transport your bike safely, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the best motorcycle tie-down straps on the market. We'll cover top-rated options, explain what makes them stand out, and help you choose the perfect straps for your next ride. Whether you are a seasoned rider or just starting out, stick around to find out which straps will keep your bike secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Experience a seamless and secure way to transport your boat with the Camco Retractable Transom Tie-Down Strap Black at number 1. Designed for stability and ease of use, this tie-down strap is a perfect companion for your marine adventures. With its retractable mechanism, the strap adjusts to your desired length, making it simple to fasten and release, reducing stress during setup and takedown. Featuring a durable black polyester webbing, the Camco strap is resistant to harsh weather conditions and UV rays, ensuring longevity even in challenging environments. The robust zinc-coated metal hardware is rust-resistant, offering additional durability and a firm grip during transport. With a strong brake strength, this tie-down strap provides reliable security for your boat, preventing movement during transit. The strap's universal design fits most boat transoms, giving you the versatility you need for different applications. Priced competitively, the Camco Retractable Transom Tie-Down Strap offers excellent value without compromising on quality. It's an essential addition to your boat transport setup. Upgrade your marine equipment with the Camco Retractable Transom Tie-Down Strap and enjoy peace of mind during your journeys. At number 2, we have the AUGO Ratchet Straps Heavy Duty 4-Pack. This product is a reliable solution for all your tie-down needs. These high-quality ratchet straps are designed to secure heavy loads with ease, offering a brake strength of 2,200 pounds to ensure safe and stable transportation. Each pack includes 4 ratchet straps, providing versatile option for securing cargo, motorcycles, or furniture during transport. Built with durability in mind, these straps feature premium polyester webbing that is resistant to abrasions and stretching. The ratchet mechanism is constructed from durable steel, providing a firm and reliable grip, while the ergonomic rubberized handle offers comfort and control during use. The straps also include sturdy S-hooks coated with vinyl to prevent scratching and damage to your vehicle or cargo. The adjustable design allows you to customize the strap length to meet your needs, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. The quick release mechanism makes it easy to secure and release your load without fuss. Plus, the convenient carrying bag keeps the straps organized and ready for use. This straps pack is competitively priced, offering excellent value for a heavy-duty product. Order yours today for a safe, secure, and stress-free transportation experience. Next up at number 3, we have the Rhino USA Ratchet Straps Tie-Down Kit. This kit is your ultimate solution for securing heavy loads with confidence. This complete kit includes 4 ratchet straps, each boasting a brake strength of over 5,200 pounds, making them perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and other heavy cargo. The straps are designed to deliver superior performance and reliability, ensuring your items stay securely fastened during transport. Crafted with industrial-grade materials, these ratchet straps feature reinforced polyester webbing that resists stretching and abrasions. The ratchets are constructed with anodized steel, providing exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, allowing you to tighten or release the straps with ease. This kit also includes 4 soft-loop tie-down straps, ideal for protecting delicate surfaces and preventing scratches on your cargo. This added versatility makes the kit suitable for a wide range of transportation needs, from moving furniture to securing an off-road vehicle. With a convenient carrying bag, this kit is easy to store and transport, keeping everything organized. It offers exceptional value and reliability, backed by a lifetime warranty. Secure your load with confidence and order your kit today for a safe and stress-free transport experience. The number 4 position is held by the SmartStraps 10-foot Cambuckle. This product is the ideal choice for quick, reliable tie-down solutions. This 4-pack of Cambuckle straps provides a secure way to fasten light to medium loads, whether you are transporting outdoor equipment, luggage, or small furniture. Each strap measures 10 feet in length, allowing for flexibility and a wide range of applications. The Cambuckle design features a zinc-plated metal buckle that is easy to operate, providing a strong hold without the need for ratcheting. This mechanism ensures a firm grip, while the durable polyester webbing offers resistance to abrasions, UV rays, and stretching. The SmartStraps Cambuckles are designed to hold securely without causing damage or scratching to your cargo. The simple pull to tighten and press to release design makes securing your items a breeze, offering quick adjustments and easy storage when not in use. It provides exceptional value with its versatility, durability, and ease of use. Get your set today and experience the convenience and reliability of these high-quality Cambuckle straps for your next transportation project. The number 5 position is dominated by Secure Your Motorcycle with confidence using the Rhino USA motorcycle tie-down straps. Designed for durability and reliability, these heavy-duty tie-down straps are the perfect choice for transporting motorcycles, ATVs, and other recreational vehicles. With a brake strength of over 3,000 pounds per strap, you can rest assured that your load will stay firmly in place during transit. Crafted from high-quality polyester, these straps are built to resist stretching, abrasions, and UV damage, ensuring longevity even in harsh conditions. The Ratchet mechanism is made from anodized steel, providing a strong and reliable grip. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip for tightening and releasing, making it easy to secure your motorcycle. This 2-pack set includes additional soft loop tie-down straps to protect your motorcycle's paint and delicate surfaces from scratches or damage. The S-hooks are vinyl coated for added protection against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The Rhino USA motorcycle tie-down straps come with a convenient storage bag for easy transport and organization. With a lifetime warranty, these straps offer exceptional value and peace of mind. Experience unparalleled security with the PowerTye 1.5-inch by 6.5 feet heavy-duty ratchet tie-down straps at number 6 with Soft-Tye and Carabiner hooks. These premium straps are designed to provide reliable and robust tie-down solutions for motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and other heavy loads. The 1.5-inch wide polyester webbing ensures strength and durability, while the 6.5-foot length offers versatility to accommodate a range of transportation needs. The Ratchet mechanism, crafted from industrial-grade steel, is built to withstand heavy use. It features an ergonomic handle, allowing you to easily adjust the tension for a secure hold. The Soft-Tye loops integrated into the straps help protect delicate surfaces, preventing scratches and scuffs on your bike or cargo. One standout feature is the Carabiner hooks, which offer additional security by locking onto anchor points, minimizing the risk of accidental disconnections during transit. These hooks are coated to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The set comes in a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and transport. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the STANLEY S1007 black or yellow 1.5-inch by 16-foot ratchet tie-down straps. These straps offer a durable and reliable solution for securing heavy loads during transport. These ratchet tie-down straps are designed with strength and versatility in mind, featuring a 1.5-inch wide polyester webbing that is resistant to abrasion, stretching, and UV damage. The 16-foot length provides ample flexibility, allowing you to secure large and irregularly shaped items with ease. The ratchet mechanism is built with industrial-grade steel, ensuring a strong and secure hold. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to adjust the tension for a tight fit, while the release lever allows for quick and smooth unloading. The S-hooks are vinyl coated to prevent scratching and offer additional resistance to rust and corrosion. The high-contrast black and yellow design makes them easy to spot, ensuring safety during use. These straps come in a convenient 4-pack, providing excellent value for your tie-down needs. Order your set of STANLEY S1007 ratchet tie-down straps today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a safe and secure transport solution. Thanks for watching our video on the best motorcycle tie-down straps. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect straps to keep your bike secure. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Have any questions or recommendations? Drop them in the comments below. Ride safe and see you in the next video.